Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making Word and your mic ready. Open Word in Office 365 or Word 2019 and create or open the document you'll dictate into. Make sure your microphone is connected, selected in System Sound Settings, and has a clear input level. Low volume causes missed words. Once done, place the cursor at the insertion point. You'll save time by doing these checks now so dictation begins smoothly without interrupting the flow. You now enable Word's dictation feature. On the Home tab, click Dictate, the microphone icon. Grant any microphone permissions your operating system requests. Speak naturally and in short phrases, and remember to say punctuation like comma, period, or new line for structure. If you need capitalization, say cap for the next word or all caps for an acronym. Make sure background noise is low. That improves recognition accuracy. Pause briefly between sentences to let Word process what you've spoken. You finish by refining and saving your work. Review the transcribed text for errors and fix them either by typing or by using voice commands like select, delete, or replace. Save your document to OneDrive for versioning or locally if preferred, and turn on auto-save when possible. If dictation fails or is inaccurate, make sure your microphone is working, your internet connection is stable for cloud-based dictation, and Office is updated. Restarting Word often resolves transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.